Hi guys! Vince from D-Link Philippines. Welcome to another unboxing video of D-Link. Ang i-feature po natin ngayon is isa sa pinakabagong wireless router na ino-offer ni D-Link sa market today. Ito po yung DIR-X1560 router. Mahilig ka ba mag-online games? Mag-stream ng video? Or marami bang gumagamit ng Wi-Fi sa bahay nyo? Well, stay tuned. Tingin ko ito yung router na para sa iyo. D-Link DIR-X1560 Wi-Fi 6 router ni D-Link. Teka, ano nga ba ang Wi-Fi 6? So, ang Wi-Fi 6 po or 802.11ax ay ang pinakabagong standard na ginagamit sa market today. And ang main feature po niya, it can carry a lot more data and it can deliver much faster speed compared doon sa previous standard, which is the AC. And ito pong device na to, it supports what we call 4 streams simultaneous. So meaning up and download speed ay kaya niyang kausapin ng multiple devices all at the same time. Meron din po siyang tinatawag na feature na TWT or Target Wake Time. So ang ginagawa po nito is a feature that can help conserve the battery ng mga devices na connected sa kanya. And this device also supports Wi-Fi mesh. So meaning, pwede po tayong bumili ng separate extender ni D-Link to pair with this device and it can do mesh at the same time. And isa pa pong feature niya is voice control. So supported po siya ni Alexa at Google Assistant. So tara po, alamin natin kung ano ang nasa loob ng router na ito. Buksan na po natin. Okay, so open na po natin ang ating Wi-Fi 6 router. Para po malaman natin kung ano ang mga inclusions dito sa AX router natin. Okay, so out from the box. Okay. So start po muna tayo dito. We have the documentation. Here's your quick install guide for the DIR-X1560. Okay, and of course warranty and safety information. And a guide for Google Assistant. So I mentioned earlier, this one supports Google Assistant and Alexa. Okay, so ito po yung ating documentation. So let's move on to the accessories first. So of course you have the power adapter. Okay. And we have a very neat free Ethernet cable. And of course, the highlight of this is of course the AX router. So, ayan po ang kanyang itsura. So, we have 4 powerful antennas to give you that coverage and speed. Okay. Then, sa likod po, we have the on and off button, the power socket, then the WPS button, if you want to use this to connect wireless, the reset, then internet port. So, dito po natin i-connect yung ating modem or modem router from our internet provider, and we have 4 Gigabit LAN ports for that LAN connection. Okay, so DIR-X1560. Also, I've forgot to mention, ito pong router na to also have what we call the triple core processor. So, kaya-kaya niya i-process yung information, kaya mas mabilis yung connection po natin. Okay? And dual band po siya. We have of course the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz band. Total speed will give you around 1500 for both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Okay, so just to summarize, so ito po ang laman yung box na Wi-Fi 6 router natin. Of course, you have the router, the DIR-X1560, AX1500 router. You have the common documentation, the Google Assistant, setup guide, the warranty information, the quick install guide, the quick installation card, and the power adapter, and the UTP cable. Thank you guys for watching. And ang susunod na video po natin is ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po i-set up ang DIR-X15 Wi-Fi 6 router nito. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the other video. Bye!